Welcome everybody to another session of AMS, and in this session we are going to discuss that how we can generate a carbon tube and a one-dimensional gold chain using your AMS interface. So speaking about generating or building a nanotube, we can utilize two options, one either from database or from the tube generator. So from database, if we search in our database, it will take some time. So just type carbon. You can see carbon nanotube. I'm just selecting that carbon nanotube from the person, and you can see that how it is uploaded in this interface. So it is taking some time. So you can see that almost 96 carbon atoms are there. So likewise, from database, and now from the generator. So from the generator, it is known as TubeGen nanotube structure generator. From here we can see that how much or how we can generate the tube with the necessary data. So I'm just selecting 12 into 12 zip file format with the necessary bond length atoms. I'm just generating this structure. Click on generate to automatically generate coordinates, and just copying and just pasting here in this interface. So the periodic view we can see. So this way you can generate a nanotube. So you can see there is 48 atoms, and also you can adjust the coordinates. First you have to this axis, and then to the edit menu you can use to adjust the origin. So this way you can generate a carbon nanotube from database as well as from tube generator. And now I'm going to discuss with you how to generate a gold chain. So I'm just opening a new input. So it will take some seconds. So within few seconds it will, yes. So I'm just changing this engine from ADF to band, and then I'm changing the periodicity to chain, since it's a one-dimensional structure. And then I'm arranging the lattice vectors to 2.9, since it's a gold chain. And I'm selecting the gold metal. So you can see metal has been selected, and now I'm changing the coordinates to 0, the XYZ coordinates to 0. So likewise, we can generate a gold chain, a one-dimensional gold chain, using your AMS interface. You can see the X direction, Y direction, and Z direction. So likewise, we can generate a carbon nanotube as well as a one-dimensional gold chain using your AMS interface. Thank you.